Alright guys, so we're gonna cook this up. This is a Japanese style teriyaki stir-fry udon. This was at COSTCO. And here's the back. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. Here's the ingredients. And let's open this up. Okay, so this is what's inside the bag. So if you guys can see, there's packets of udon and there's packets of like the seasoning. So there's maybe four udon packets in there. So each is seasoning. This is the soup base. This is the veggies that go with it. Alright, we're gonna cook it up. I'll be right back. So here it is, all done. So as you can see, it does come with these dehydrated veggies. So we're gonna do a quick taste test. So actually, it's not bad. It's got quite a bit of flavor. It's got like a slightly sweet sort of taste to it, and it has a lot of like seaweed and bonito flakes, and sort of has that sort of taste profile to it. So yeah, it's got a lot of like seafoodish type of taste to it. It's really pretty good, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.